Who knew that listening to someone whispering could be so satisfying? Have you ever found yourself getting an inexplicable feeling of relaxation and tingling sensations in your head, neck, and spine? Don't worry, you're not alone. This phenomenon is known as Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, or ASMR for short. And let me tell you, it's like having your very own personal massage therapist in your brain. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's taking the world by storm, with millions of people tuning into videos to experience the relaxing and soothing sensations that come with it. And while it might seem strange to some science, experts are backing up the benefits. Scientists have been studying ASMR to figure out what makes it happen. They've found that it's triggered by different stimuli like soft whispers, tapping sounds, and even the sound of someone chewing gum. Yes, you heard that right. Someone chewing gum can give you brain tingles. Researchers believe ASMR is caused by the release of dopamine and oxytocin in the brain. These are the same chemicals that are released when you eat chocolate, fall in love, or win the lottery. Scientists believe that it's all about activating certain parts of your brain, like the reward center and the prefrontal cortex, which are responsible for pleasure and attention. It's like your brain is having a little party and ASMR is the guest of honor. This response is triggered by various stimuli, such as whispers, tapping, or even just the sound of someone typing on a keyboard. It's like your brain has a secret crush on these sounds and can't help but get all giddy and tingly. Now, some people may say ASMR is just a bunch of hocus pocus or a fancy way of saying getting the chills, but there's actually some solid scientific evidence behind it. Studies have shown ASMR can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep, and even decrease symptoms of depression. Overall, the best ASMR sounds are those that create a sense of calm, relaxation, and comfort. While everyone's preferences may be different, these sounds have been shown to be some of the most popular and effective ASMR triggers. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tingles. Now that we know what makes the best ASMR sounds, let's dive into a list of the most popular and effective triggers. We've scoured the internet, surveyed hundreds of people, and even consulted with ASMR experts and scientists to bring you the ultimate compilation of sounds that are sure to give you the tingles. And don't worry, we've saved the best for last, the one that's been scientifically proven to be the most effective ASMR trigger. So, grab your headphones and get ready for some serious relaxation. Number 10 on our list, whispers. Although whispers are one of the most popular ASMR triggers, they are at the bottom of our list. Whispers create a sense of intimacy and personal attention, which is why many people find them soothing. However, they may not be as effective for some people compared to other sounds. Up next is tapping. The sound of tapping is a popular ASMR trigger, and it can be created with various objects, such as nails, pens, and brushes. Tapping sounds are often used in ASMR videos to create a rhythmic and repetitive sound that can induce relaxation and reduce anxiety. Coming in hot at number 8, scratching. The sound of scratching is another popular ASMR trigger. It can be created by scratching surfaces such as wood, paper, or fabric, and it can create a tingling sensation that many people find relaxing. Page turning. Yes, you heard it right. The sound of turning pages in a book is a popular ASMR trigger, especially for those who enjoy reading. The sound of the pages turning can create a sense of calm and relaxation. The next contender on our list is raindrops. The sound of rain is a natural ASMR trigger that can create a sense of tranquility and peace. Many people find the sound of rain soothing and relaxing, and it is often used in ASMR videos to create a calming atmosphere. Crinkling. The sound of crinkling paper or plastic can be surprisingly satisfying. It's been suggested that the sound is reminiscent of childhood and can create a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Next up in our countdown, hair brushing. The sound of a brush running through hair is a popular ASMR trigger, especially for those who enjoy getting their hair brushed. The sound can create a relaxing sensation that many people find comforting. And now for something completely different, binaural beats. Binaural beats are a powerful ASMR trigger that can induce deep relaxation and reduce anxiety. They are created by playing two different frequencies in each ear, which creates a third frequency that the brain interprets as a soothing sound. White noise. White noise is a popular ASMR trigger that can create a sense of calm and relaxation. It is a consistent sound that can help drown out other distracting noises, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. These ASMR sounds have been found to be effective in inducing relaxation and reducing stress and anxiety, according to surveys. The last part of our list will be the ASMR sound that has been approved by experts and scientists. Have you ever stumbled upon a video of someone just going about their daily routine and found yourself feeling incredibly relaxed and calm? That, my friend, is unintentional ASMR. It's the soothing sensation that comes from mundane sounds that people create unintentionally. And believe it or not, it's scientifically proven to be the best and most effective way to trigger ASMR. Experts say that unintentional ASMR is so effective because it's more natural and unpredictable than intentional ASMR. Think about it. When you listen to someone purposely creating ASMR sounds, you know what to expect. But with unintentional ASMR, you never know when you'll be hit with a satisfying sound that triggers those tingles. Plus, unintentional ASMR is everywhere. From the sound of someone typing on a keyboard to the soft whispers of a librarian, you can find it in almost any environment. It's like a secret world of relaxation that's just waiting to be discovered. The most common trigger is the simple act of cleaning your ears with Q-tips. You may not even realize it, but the soft scratching and gentle probing of the ear canal with a Q-tip can create an ASMR experience that rivals even the most popular intentional ASMR videos. But why does cleaning your ears with Q-tips produce such a strong ASMR reaction? It all has to do with the release of chemicals in the brain. When you experience ASMR, your brain produces a rush of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure and reward. This chemical release can create a feeling of relaxation and calm that can be incredibly soothing. So, next time you reach for those Q-tips, pay attention to the sensations that they create. You may just find yourself experiencing the pleasurable tingles of unintentional ASMR without even realizing it. So, there you have it. We've learned all about ASMR and how it can trigger those delightful tingles in our brain. And don't forget about the unintentional ASMR, the unsuspecting hero that can take us to new levels of relaxation and pleasure. Whether it's the sound of a Q-tip swabbing our ear or the gentle tapping of rain on a rooftop, these little triggers can make a big difference in our overall well-being. So go ahead, let yourself indulge in the soothing sound, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more physical and mental health-related content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more informative and entertaining videos in the future. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you again and have a wonderful day.